Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and the recent events during the markets. Greg?
The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.1% in the last session. The ADX has transitioned into the positive zone. Volkswagen stock has lost 1.1% in the last session. The CCI transitioned sharply into the negative zone. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator transitioned sharply into overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has lost 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI moved sharply into overbought territory.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
As central banks and governments combat the damage from the COVID-19 pandemic, plentiful liquidity has lifted assets from emerging currencies and junk bonds to Bitcoin. Wall Street's main indexes edged lower as soaring coronavirus cases and an unexpected rise in weekly jobless claims raised fears of stalling growth in the world's largest economy. Face-to-face talks in Brussels paused as a member of Barnier's team was tested positive for coronavirus.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The New Zealand's retail sales will be released on Sunday at 21:45 GMT. The UK Services PMI Monday at 9:30 GMT. The German GDP Tuesday at 700 GMT. The US GDP Wednesday at 13:30 GMT. The Swiss employment level Thursday at 7:30 GMT, and the Japanese retail sales Friday at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.